Say make money, money, make money, money, money.
Make money, money, make money, money, money. Money makes the world go round. I'm the talk around town. Remy gave me the sound.
Fat pockets.
I need that Skrilla on the Rilla.
Fat pockets.
I need that Skrilla on the Rilla. Money makes the world go round.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from at this hour. Today is the 11th of November 2021, and this morning I'm just going to touch base on the last video. Regarding the last video I posted, this video is not going to be long. Someone sent me an email and said I haven't posted on a new video on the the YouTube channel. Is because I've been extremely busy, because there's a lot of opportunities now in the crypto world, and we have been trading on pullbacks. I've been trading on pullbacks on the forest side of the market. Although we do have crypto, the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Shiba Inu, ADA, and all that Litecoin on our investment portfolios. They're there. But then when I spot a trend on, like we have been seeing for the past few weeks on the crypto world, I try to trade pullbacks on crypto, which I have been doing, and we have made a lot of pips from that this past few weeks. So I've been very busy monitoring the market and trying to trade on pullback. So, like I said, we have had a lot of opportunities in the market, which has been very good, because like we all know, the trend is your friend. You just need to know when there's a trend so you can follow up and then be profitable. So, but this video today is just going to be short. I just need to do this video now so I can get back to work. So this video is just in regards to the last video I did, because one thing I always say is you need to know what you're doing in the market so you can be profitable. You need to know what you're doing in the market so you can be profitable. You need to put in the hard work. You need to put in the hard work so you can be profitable in the market. Trying to look for someone that's going to sell you a robotic signal that doesn't work is a waste of time, is a waste of energy, is a waste of resources. So that it doesn't work, it's never going to work, and it will never work. So you've been able to put in the hard work, do a lot of back testing and all that, to make sure you know what you're getting into in the market will make you profitable in the market. Like the last video I did last time, I showed you how to get to know if a market is very volatile and what to do and all that. And today I'm just going to follow through so you see what actually happened from the last video I did last week. Was it last week? I think 2 weeks ago. The last video I did just before this one. Just before this one, so you see what actually happened and what we are seeing now. So I'm just going to dive in, because I showed you how to get check the volatility of an instrument, and some people sent me an email to elaborate more on how to do that, and I also sent them a response so that they can know how to get that. If you are able to get these little pieces together, you see yourself, you're moving from one step to another, from one step to another, and that's how you become profitable. And then you are okay, and you know what you are okay, and then you are profitable in the market. Then you avoid these people that are selling you a robotic signal that doesn't work, that are wanting you to come and these people, the people that want you to come and register for for their classes that they don't even know what they're doing. So now I'm just going to dive in, share the screen so we can speak on this. Then we'll call it a day. By next week, I will be coming back so we can discuss more. But this week has been very pleasurable. It has been successful. This past few weeks, we have been trying to trade on pullbacks on the crypto world. Whenever you spot an opportunity, you grab it with your 2 hands. That's what will make you successful and profitable in the market. So I'm just going to share this now so you see what actually happened and how you can also do that. If you want more info on this, you can always come back to me. I will be glad to assist you. This was the last video regarding the, let me just increase this first. Regarding this last video I did on our on our YouTube page. You can go check it out. It was regarding price, and when I showed you how to get the coefficients of variation CV for and how to check if the instrument that is more volatile, so you know what you are entering into. So what I did was, after getting everything, we got our price for it was a 10 years moving average, and we got our price, we got our mean, we got our deviation, got our deviation squared, and we got our variance and standard deviation. Then we came and got our coefficients of variation CV for P. And my statement was that the volatility result is a safe investment. Next step, I had to calculate the intrinsic value, which I did, and that was this chart. What I did was done on the 1st of November. Let me see if I can pull out. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, if you can see the date here, just where my mouse cursor is right now. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it was November 1st, 2021. After I've done my due diligence on this peak, it was for a long-term investment. So after we've done our due diligence, I said it was a safe investment. The volatility result was okay, so we waited for some time so we can open a position. So if you can see here, this on a monthly time frame, and we did it on a 10-year moving average. So we see it was done on the 1st of November 2021. So if you see what actually happened, if you see this is one of our portfolio, like I said, this is one of our portfolio. I had to take a screenshot. We don't I've told you guys, I don't want to show you the amount the profit we've made and all that. I'm not here to show you the profit we've made. All I want to show you is showing you the money in my account is like I don't even know what I'm doing. It's like I'm trying to convince you. There's no need for me to convince you or to cajole you so that you can come and invest or to come and give me money, because I don't need your money. My target, like I've always said, my target is the market, is not on an individual. So I'm focused on the target, on my target. What I do is just to enlighten a lot of people so they can also know what to do. So that day, the next day, which you can see here on my where my mouse cursor is now, that was on the 2nd of November. I did the analysis on the 1st of November. On the 2nd of November, we actually opened a position and bought some units. I think it was about close to 400 units of Pfizer on the 2nd of, if you can see it here, on the 2nd of, I had to take a screenshot so I can scratch out those place where you can see funds, because I don't want to show you any of our funds on this particular Pfizer. So we bought about close to 400 units. And what I want to show you now, you see, that was done on the 2nd of, what's it called? On the 2nd of November, 2021 at about 16:20, that was about 4:20 p.m. Look at the good thing now is this. As at today, as at yesterday, the close of market yesterday, we are already 10%, 10.06% up in profit. 10.06% up in profit. Let's assume you invested $100,000 on this peak. You would have been able now to make $10,000 in profit already within the market within 10 days or close to 9 days. So you would have been able to make at least 10% of what your on your return within 8 or 9 days. So this is what I'm trying to enlighten a lot of people, that yes, you need to put in the hard work so you can be profitable in the market. Put in the hard work so you can be profitable in the market. Just imagine now you invested a lot of money on this peak and we're just starting. It's just barely 8 days now. We're already 10% up in profit. So once you are able to get these little pieces together, look at what I did. I told you I detailed the chart. You can go on our last video on YouTube, the chart is there where I told you how to get the price, the mean, the deviation square, the variance, and the standard deviation. So then you can know if the market, if this particular peak is volatile, then you can compare it to another instrument. Then you know, okay, is this one a safe investment or is this not a safe investment? So then that way you can build your confidence, build get your strategy correct and build profitability in the market. And then you can now become consistent, because when you are consistent in the market, it will give you a lot of joy to continue. But then if you don't know all these things, you just gambling, you're gambling that because you're looking for someone that wants to give you a robotic signal which doesn't work. So if you can see now, this is a live analogy now that I just gave to you now. We are already 10% up. We bought a lot of units from on this peak. That's what we do. Before I open a position, I try to get these little pieces together so that I'm sure, at least I know that what we do in the market, majority of the decision we take in the market is based on probability. But then when you put all these things together, you see now your probability rate might be now, let's say, might be 90 or 95%. Whereas someone that didn't even do anything, is just gambling in, doesn't even have any probability, they don't have any chance in the market. So this is one thing I want to advise people to always do before getting into the market. Try and compare, let me just stop this here now. Try and compare instruments and see, okay, this is what I think will be better, will be good for me at this time. Then you invest. Now you see what we did. I did the analysis I ended the analysis because it was a long journey. I ended it on the 1st of November. On the 2nd of November, we invested in the company, and today we're already 10% in profit. So that's what you need to do. If you invested at 100,000, you have already gained 10,000 now within a period of 5 days, and 8 days or 9 days. And if you remove the weekend, the Sunday and Monday, Sunday and Saturday, you see now we have like 7 days. You're already in 10% profit. You can decide to even close your position now and say, okay, yes, I'm okay. And then you're okay. So now, if I didn't do this analysis, I would have known that, okay, this is a good and a safe investment. So this is one thing I just want to come and speak to you about today. I know this video, I said this video is going to be short because I need to get back now to work. The market is trending on the right direction, so we need to take opportunity, because they say opportunity does not appear all the time. So once it comes, we need to grab it. So have a lovely day, and I hope our weekend will be great. I'll speak to you again when I see you. Bye bye for now.
Say make money, money, make money, money, money.
Make money, money, make money, money, money. Money makes the world go round.